TikTok creativity program is literally breaking the internet. People are making over $10,000 in their first month, and it's probably the best way to make some money online. Focus on this TikTok page. This page has blown up recently and is generating millions of views, which leads to tens of thousands of dollars from TikTok creativity program with an RPM of $1. This one specific video will have made them over 10 grand, and the good part is you don't need to show your face or record your voice because AI will make it for us. The niche that I want to share with you is a relaxing niche, which is super easy to make. In this video, I will explain their secrets and also showcase how to create this content and hopefully make 10 grand from one video. Creating this type of content is completely free, so you better get started as soon as possible because this niche is not competitive yet. Okay, firstly let's understand this sort of content and what makes it go viral. This is the account's most viral video. Basically, it starts by asking which bed are you napping the hardest in and gives a few options to choose. Pretty simple, right? First thing that we need is the first frame of the video. Account that I talked about earlier has this scenic view that has very peaceful vibe. The point of this video is to stop the viewer from scrolling and watch the rest of the video. In order to get the scroll stopping video, I'm going to head to TikTok and search for VFX Sky. Some crazy videos have come up and I'm going to choose this one. Next, we need the images that come up after the intro. The most viral videos in this niche use a combination of different types of photo. They are either AI or real life. The idea behind this is that some users will comment asking if the places are real or AI. In reality, this influx of comment will boost our video more, resulting in more views. Let's start by making the AI images. Use any AI image generator you want. However, I'm going to use Leonardo AI as it's free and probably the best image generator in my opinion. Head to Leonardo and hit launch up. So to create our image, click where it says image generation. Finally, input a prompt. Say something like a bedroom at night with sweet city views. Then we need to download it. I recommend repeating this process like 5 or 6 times because we need plenty of images to get our video up to 1 minute long. Next, we want to get some real life images that we can also use in our video. Once again, we want images of bedrooms. One of my favorite sites to get content from is Reddit. So head to Google and search for r/cozy places. Then search for bedroom. Scroll around until you find a cozy room and save the image. Once again, you want to save around 5 images so that we have enough content. The final place that we're going to images from is Google. Just search for fantasy bedroom and save another 5 images. Now we are going to create our video. For this, I'm going to use an editing software like CapCut. Once you've hit new project, start by importing all your images. We firstly want to click on our scroll stopper and drag it into the timeline. Next, we want to crop the scroll stopper so that the sky appears within the first second or two, and also so that the entire clip is about 4 seconds long. Now that our scroll stopper is ready, we need to add the text asking which bed our viewer will sleep in the hardest. So click to the text in the top left and add some to our timeline. Select the text and head to the top right. You now want to input the text that's related to your video. Once that's done, you want to select the font from the drop-down menu. Make sure that you remember what font it is, as we want to reuse it in the future videos also. Next, you want to scroll down and select the boxes next to stroke, glow and shadow to make our text look a little bit better. Perfect, our intro is ready. Let's make the rest of our video. Now we need to add our first image into the timeline. Once it's there, you want to edit its duration so that it's roughly 6 seconds long. Now we want to copy and paste our text over from the intro and make it last duration of our image. Let's change the text to number 1 and place it at the top of the screen. In order to make our video even more engaging than the other accounts, we're going to make our images move. For that, select the image and head to the top right and click animation. Next, click combo and select one you like. This will make our image move and make our video a bit better. The next step is to add the rest of the images. I recommend making sure that the images go back and forth between AI images and real images to keep your viewers that bit more hooked. You also need to copy over the number from our first image and increase it per image. There is one more thing we need to add to our video, and that's the good sound. Since our video is about relaxing, we need to find relaxing music. Go to YouTube and search no copyrighted relaxing music and choose one of them. Get back to CapCut, import the audio and drag it into the timeline. We made it, let's watch it. We made a good job, we only need to upload it. I recommend to upload 3 times a day. Remember, it can be hard, but we all need to be patient and repeat the process until we get the results. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.